everyone, welcome back to Sanela Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 28th to the 24th of October 2025 on Monday. Prince turns on his allies. Figile and Smooth don't see eye to eye on something important. Getcha finally makes good on his promise on Tuesday. Kumbulani advises Getcha to take care of himself. Monly offers Lily advice of a further, but Lily is not interested. Lily walks in on her parents in a compromising position. Prince gets Nomarasha a 100k gift, and the attention at the party shift when more guests play Nomarasha with gift on Wednesday. Lily demands answers as her mother's secret is exposed. Prince watches Nomarasha immerse herself in her world, leaving him to question where he stands on Thursday. Everyone's walking on eggshell after the official tense meeting with Monly. Madongwe and Mr. Dongwe have a proper nostalgic bond. The house is under civilians. DK rejects Prince's request on Friday. Madlala grows suspicious of Madongwe and enlists a spy to uncover hidden secret. Meanwhile, Prince struggles hilariously with his golf practice, and at the station, Monly and Nyawo navigate the tension of authority and trust. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.